Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on super thanks, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly had been red in last 2 weeks. Okay, so yeah, last 2 weeks had been red. Coming back to Delhi. In Delhi, we are near the EMA, wandering around near the EMA. So I told you in my previous videos, previously on Vampire Diaries, right? Anyway, so if you go and watch my last Friday's Euro USD video, I told you that we will probably touch the EMI, reject it, and will bounce back. So I think we still have the potential to go down. And the confirmation will come from 4 hour if I'm right or wrong. So in the 4 hour, we are... be very careful, guys. Here we are in the kind of the uptrend, I guess. Okay, you might be confused here because there are two analyses here and both analyses are correct, spot on, but figure it out. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so you see here we had the blue candle rejecting the EMI, and then we have a huge red candle engulfing the previous blue candle. So everybody will be thinking that it's the continuation of the downtrend. That's one way to think, and they're not wrong. I'm not wrong. You are not wrong. If you think like that, if you think, okay, this is the pullback and then engulfing red candle, so we're gonna go down, baby, you're not wrong. But you will be going down only for some time, and then you will bounce back probably, because I told you in Delhi, if you come back to Delhi again, let's use some common sense. Delhi is around 1520. Okay, so 1520. We might go until 1520, then bounce back. Otherwise, you have to clearly see that this previous high is broken. Okay, so two possibilities here. This is the uptrend, pullback, then we will go up. Okay, so until this low is not broken, we will not consider this as a downtrend yet, because in Delhi as well, the price is still above the EMA. Okay, so officially in euro, we are not in the downtrend because the price is still above the EMA. However, dollar is just slightly above the EMA. Okay, anyways, coming back to 4 hour, let me get you ready for two scenarios. Scenario number one, if the market opens, you can enter sell for short time. Okay, you can take your profit somewhere here. So if you're looking for 20-30 pips, because the pullback is happening, so either it will be the continuation of the downtrend or it will just bounce back from here. Okay, so maybe look for 20-30 pips, maybe 30 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips. I would go for 30 pips. Okay, if you want 30 pips in sell trade, enter the position as soon the market opens. After 1 hour, enter sell and take your 25-30 pips and then just get out. And then I think most probably it will come down and then maybe push upwards, because you see this high is broken. Yeah, so two possibilities. Either it will continue, but even in that case, take only 25 pips, get out, and then wait if this is a pullback and then blue candle and we might go up. Okay, so I'm not looking for longs until we close above the EMI. Okay, if there is no blue candle closing above the EMA, I'm not looking for longs. If you want 25 pips, enter sell as soon the market opens. After 1 hour, take 25 pips and get lost. This is what I have for you, and this is for free. So if you like what you see, as I explained to you in the rating, subscribe, like, join Telegram, and pay the fees, join the brokers, join YouTube membership as well if you want, and do all of that, contribute in whatever possible way you have to, because I need the reason or the motivation. Why should I do this for free? I'm not charging you thousands of those dollars I explained to you in the beginning. Okay, so if you want me to continue, tell me a reason. Super comment, whatever you have. Just do it. Do your job. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Take care.